Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. This is going to be a very quickie. However, this is going to be a lesson from my glasses. And I don't know what that means, but I'm just going to give you a real quick, easy lesson on something that I think we all should probably learn very quickly when you're first starting any type of art. Now, you can see here, I had a rub-on, and I have worked probably, I don't know, 20 different ways to incorporate that rub-on in this painting, and it wasn't working, and I was getting so frustrated, and I kept putting the painting aside because I was just like, I can't, I just can't, I can't, it's getting on my nerves, I don't know what to do, what's the point of painting over it, everything. So my lesson is, take the time the first time. If you don't like something, walk away, come back. If you still don't like it, take it off. Figure out a way to take it off. Now you can see my lighting's a little, but you can see I started doing all this background and all these things, and you can see this is where that was. So I'm going to have to go over that, but that's a lot easier once I get the rest of these off, little pieces. And it's a rub on, so, and I didn't glue it down, I just rubbed it on the wood. But it's much easier now to deal with than to have that. So listen, learn a lesson. Lesson number one. If you don't like it after you leave it sit and come back and look at it and you're still struggling and you just are like, I just hate it, I hate it, don't ruin your whole painting. Just take that part off. Why do we feel like we have to keep it and incorporate it in like we're wasting something? Or I don't even know what my thought process was, but that's just a little lesson from me to you. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battles somebody else is fighting. If you have any lessons you want to pass on to everybody, leave in the comments down below. I'd appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And I will see you later.